tail's up. It's not always good. Hey, Coda. You gonna let me have that? Coda.
Where's that food?
Get his body language too. If you're able.
Mm.
Hey, Coda. Can you let me have this?
He's trying to eat all the food before you take it.
He's not horking it down the way I've seen, like Shadow sometimes would.
Yeah. Shadow would've. Yeah. Okay, that's not bad.
We were able to take food and bones from him, which I thought was really good. Now, he did not, Zephyr, he would knock out of food to get to the food.
Really?
Sure. He could be a much bigger butthead about your food. I'm gonna take your food now because it's so nom. Got to
Oop,
growl.
I got a growl.
It's mine.
It's a little growl.
Little growl. No teeth.
More of a consternation noise.